Hello my dear children, today we will study chapter 6, the noun number. A boy was throwing a stone at a bird. Some boys were throwing stones at birds. In the first sentence, the nouns boy, bird and stone stands for only one person, animal and thing. So these nouns are said to be in the singular number. In the second sentence, the nouns boys, birds and stones stand for more than one person, animal and thing. So these nouns are said to be in the plural number. Now see the following pictures. A book, books. A bat, bats. Countable nouns can be singular or plural. Now how to form plurals? Most nouns form their plurals by adding s. How we form the plurals? By adding s. For example, bag, we will write bag and we will add s, it will become bags. Singular, plural. Balloon, balloons. Face, faces. Finger, fingers. Nouns that end in ch, sh, s, double s or x form their plurals by adding es to the singular. For example, ch, beach, beach, es. Okay. sh, dish, 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 es, dishes. atlas, atlas, atlases, atlases. Now class, 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 classes. box, box, boxes, boxes. Nouns that end in consonant plus y form their plurals by changing the y into ies. See children, for example, army. So we will write ARM and we will drop this y and it will change into IES. LILY, LILIES. Okay. Why we are changing y into IES? BABY, BAB, we will change y into IES, babies. But nouns that end in vowel plus y form their plurals by adding s only. Remember, see boy, boy, y is there, but we will not write boies. What we will write? boy, boy, and we will add s. Why? Because vowel is there, monkey, this is vowel is there, and y, monkeys, monkeys. Nouns that end in f or fe form their plurals by changing f or fe into ves. See, book, shelf, f is there, we will write book, shel, and f is changed into ves, bookshelves. Knife, knife, f is there, we will write kni, fe will change into ves, knives. Calf, calves. Life, lives. Some nouns that end in f or fe form their plural by adding only s in the end. Brief, briefs. Chief, chiefs. Gulf, gulfs. Hoof, hoofs. But some nouns that end in f form their plurals either by adding s or ves to the singular. For example, dwarf, dwarfs is also correct, dwarfs correct. Scarf, scarves, scarves. Hoof, hooves, hoofs. Wharf, wharfs, wharfs. Nouns that end in o form their plurals by adding s to the singular. For example, bamboo, o is there, BAMBOOS. Photo, photos, and so on. Some nouns that end in o form their plurals by adding es to the singular. For example, buffalo, o will BUFFALO and we will add es, buffaloes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Cargo, cargoes, and so on. But some nouns that end in o form their plurals either by adding s or es to the singular. For example, buffalo, buffaloes, s, Buffaloes, es, both are correct. Mosquito, mosquitoes, mosquitoes. Some nouns form their plurals by changing internal vowels. For example, man, A will change into E, men. Woman, women. Foot, feet. Goose, geese. Tooth, teeth. Dormouse, dormice. Mouse, mice. Louse, lice. Some nouns form their plurals by adding en to the singular. For example, ox, oxen. Child, children, ren here. Some nouns have the same form in singular and plural. It means both singular and plural, they have the same form. For example, aircraft, aircraft, fruit, fruit, bison, bison, fish, fish, carp, carp, deer, deer, reindeer, reindeer, sheep, sheep. Some nouns have only plural forms. For example, name of equipments, binoculars, goggles, pincers, name of certain garments, bridges, drawers, jeans. We use a pair of before plural nouns to make them into singular. For example, a pair of binoculars, a pair of goggles, a pair of gloves, a pair of pants. Okay. Then we use pairs of with a number or quantity showing word when there is more than one pair. For example, 2 pairs of chopsticks, 2 pairs of shoes, 6 pairs of pliers, 8 pairs of scissors. Exercise A. Write the plural forms of the following nouns. Balloon, balloons. Egg, eggs. Beach, beaches. CHES. Atlas, atlases. Class, classes. Dish, dishes. Box, boxes. Army, armies. IES. Y will change into IES. Trophy, trophies. Monkey, monkeys. Kangaroo, kangaroos. Zeros, zeros. Buffalo, buffaloes. EES or S, both are correct. Flamingo, flamingos. Foot, feet. Louse, LICE, lice. Man, men. Child, children. Ox, oxen. Gulf, gulfs. Fill in the blanks by using the correct word. Children were buying balloons. Were buying balloons. So we will write the plural form, children. Leaves fall from the trees in autumn. There are mice in my room. She gave him 3 large slices of bread. Sweets are bad for your teeth. He asked for a loaf of white bread. While loaf, a single is there. The lame man is walking with a crutch. The roof is above the floor. These mangoes are ripe. Her hobbies include swimming and gardening. Write the singular of each of the following words. Oxen, ox. Bison, bison. Logos, logo. Kitos, kitos. Cargo, cargo. Leaves, leaf. Lives, life. Ecos, eco. Halos, halo. Wafts, waf. Spies, spy. Wives, wife. Jerseys, jersey. Rays, ray. Stories, story. Donkeys, donkey. Giraffes, giraffe. Mosquitoes, mosquito. Loaves, loaf. Proofs, proof. The following sentences have some nouns given in color. State whether they are singular or plural nouns. Cows gives us milk. Cows, plural. Thief, singular. Monkeys, plural. Leaves, plural. Fruit, singular. Umbrella, singular. Piano, singular. Books, plural. Beach, singular. Balloons, plural. Fit the plurals of the following nouns into the puzzle. Write the verse across. One word has been done as an example. For example, man, they have given men. Then mouse, mice. Tray, trays. Loaf, loaves. Bamboo, bamboos. Aircraft, aircraft. Umbrella, umbrellas. Flamingo, flamingos. Bookshelf, bookshelves. Dictionary, dictionaries. Children, these definitions you will write in your notebook. Singular number, nouns that stands for only one person, thing or animal. For example, a boy, a stick, a dog, a lamp. Plural numbers, nouns that stand for more than one person, thing, or animal. For example, boys, sticks, dogs, lamps. Dear children, with this we have completed the chapter. Revise the chapter and note down everything neatly. May God bless you all. Thank you.